In our last chapter, we talked about the due diligence period. One of the most important things you'll do during due diligence is have the home inspected.
Once the inspection is complete, you'll receive a detailed inspection report, and at first, that report can look a little overwhelming. It will contain pages of comments, photographs, and recommendations. Don't panic, that's normal. Even a brand new home can have items noted on an inspection report. Your inspector's job is to help you understand the home's condition and identify items that may need repair, maintenance, or further evaluation. Some findings may be simple maintenance items. Others could involve safety concerns or more significant repairs. During your due diligence period, you'll review the report with your real estate agent and decide which items deserve additional attention. Depending on what you find in the terms of your contract, you may decide to move forward as is, request repairs, negotiate another solution, or decide the home isn't right for you. You can terminate the purchase and sale agreement during your due diligence period and receive your earnest money back. The important thing to remember is the due diligence deadline. Once your due diligence period expires, your general due diligence right to terminate ends. Other provisions of your contract may still provide certain rights, but you should not assume that you can simply terminate after due diligence and receive your earnest money back. That's why it's so important to schedule your inspection promptly. Receive the report, read it, understand it, and make your decisions before your due diligence period ends.
The purpose of the home inspection isn't to find a perfect house. It's to give you the information you need to make an informed decision about the home you're buying. Next week, we'll talk about home appraisal and why your lender requires one. I'm Lori Walker. Enjoy where you live, and I'll see you tomorrow on Out and About.